Good afternoon. We are the participant of Jal Urja Skill Development Program sponsored by MNRE, coordinated by IIT Roorkee, organized by Gandhigram Rural Institute. I am K. Gokulan from Vatalakundu. My teammates will introduce themselves.
I am Kishore coming from Madurai.
I am Dirish Kumar, I am from Dindigul.
I am Kumaran coming from Dindigul.
I am Bala Nattam.
I am Saktil, I am coming from Perumal Kolpatti.
Our project is mini portable hydro power plant. This will generate electricity using flowing water and we can install anywhere.
The main parts are turbine, generator, PVC pipes, wires and a load like multimeter.
Wind water flow through pipe and rotate the turbine blades connected to the generator.
This mechanical energy to electrical energy.
Use areas, hills, farms.
This project is eco-friendly, low cost and renewable.
Let's see our project demo.